Oh, thanks. Sorry, I got music playing. What's up?
I was just gonna ask, what's the fastest you've gone, if you don't mind asking?
186. It has a speed limiter. You can't go past that. And I haven't removed it yet, so until then it's only 186. And this was on the toll road. Yeah, because it's wide open.
Sweet. Awesome. You have a good day.
You too, man. Drive safe. Nice. Was a nice guy. At first I thought that he turned on his car. He came out of there, the extra mile place, and then he revved his auto started his car from far away. And I guarantee all of that's for me. Maybe a little bit of it, not all of it, a little bit. And see, that right there was karma. Karma at his finest. Because he wasn't a douchebag, he was a nice guy. He was a nice guy. Never judge people. Even though I always tell you guys not to do that, and I do it all the time, don't be like me. Be better than me. And now, before you guys try to say, nah, saying you haven't been 186. We actually have, but you guys haven't seen the footage because I haven't been editing. We got tons of footage. We got footage for days, for years. We don't have footage for days, we have footage for years. But the world will never find out because I'm just too lazy to edit everything. That and maybe depression, I don't know. One of those two. Mixture of both. Mixture of none. I'm just an idiot, who knows. So since I wear this fanny pack, it's always hard to see myself in third person, to see like, because there's a certain way I want to put it, and I can never know. Like a certain way I want to have it, but I can never know what that certain way is because hooligans, I don't know, they just seem like douchebags. Again, they could be the nicest people ever. They're probably driving or riding their way to a hospital to volunteer, but I just judge them. God damn. But I don't really care because that's who I am. Quick to judge, quick to regret. There was a rider over there. He was a chopper or something, so not really interested. They really... Why am I out of breath? Oh yeah, because it's hot and humid in my helmet. He walked all that way for some chips. Are they holding hands? Thought they were family. We can hold hands with family, right? I'm scared to start it, I don't know why. Not scared, but like nervously excited. Because I know as soon as I started, I gotta ride. Once you ride, we're gonna clown. Kickstand was down, but we got our first stall out of the way since we came back to riding a while ago. I ain't got no words. Alright, we got rap playing today. And the moaning has begun. We ain't got no worries. You see, right there, rainbow mangoes, right there. We ain't got no worries. We ain't got no worries. She bad as a hooker, cause she ain't got no worries. She want me to eat that sugar. Said, why you in a hurry? She said, why you asking questions? I said, bitch, trying to be funny. Let me see that Donkey Kong. Yeah, swing your booty back and forth with that monkey car. That monkey bar. I was too into what was happening around me. I swear she was with my hoe. I swear I effed them both. So throw. Hey, Teddy Bear looking at us. Go. We're headed to the sweet, sweet, sweet hunting grounds. Supercar Alley. What is up? Everybody's just riding insane. Today's a beautiful day. It's in the 70s. But I had to come out and ride today because today's a Sunday, right? Yeah. Later on this week, this entire week is gonna rain like crazy. And I had some plans that I had to cancel because I wanted to ride. Because again, I wouldn't have been able to ride for a good like week. And the thing is that when it rains around here in Mexico, when it rains, For the next like 2-3 days, the sun doesn't come out as much because it stays cloudy. It won't rain, but it'll stay cloudy. When it stays cloudy, the sun doesn't come out. When the sun doesn't come out, the ground remains wet. So I can't ride when it's wet. As much as we like it when it's wet, we can't ride when it's wet. We don't ride when it's raining. We don't ride when it's snowing. It never snows here in Mexico. And we don't ride when it's wet. Because I've slid before on wet roads. I haven't fallen. Knock on metal, knock on Broly. I haven't fallen, but I have slid on gravel and I have fallen from gravel. So there are certain reasons, certain conditions. No matter what, we don't ride it. I ain't got no worries. She bad as a hooker, so she ain't got no worries. She want me to eat that sugar. I said, why you in a hurry? She said, why you asking questions? I say, bitch, you trying to be funny? Now take them clothes off. Let me see that Donkey Kong. Now swing that booty back and forth on them monkey bars. That camel. I got a different song playing right now, and I'm trying to re-say the lyrics of No Worries by Lil Wayne Tucci, and trying to clean them up for you and not be as dirty. Today, we've seen like a lot of Porsches already. Who's gonna home me? Who's gonna home me? I know you were trying to home me, you didn't happen. You hoeing, but you do it in a very slow and annoying way. Just get into the lane. There's literally nobody in this lane for ages, and it was only me way in the back. So just get in the lane quicker. Oh, he's probably 90 years old. The blinker's still on, swerving on the limit lane. Oh, not shoulder lane, right? Yeah. But apparently he has the hearing of a rabbit because he heard me and he turned his blinker off. Cristiano, walking in the Benziano. Take it to see Cristiano. I love the way he says it. What? Ryder. Dude, just get the hell out of the lane, dog. There's nobody there. There's nobody there! Now there could have been. I don't know. Oh, that's combined age of about 200 plus right there. That's a combined age of mother wife and 200 plus. 200 plus. Alright, so today we got music playing. Today is Christmas Day. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Short attention span. Bite me. Alright? Bite me. I thought he was going to come with me, but he's not. He's coming away from me. I mean, I got to clean the dash. 100 on the dash. I got to clean the dash. Will you open just for me? Just because those cars were turning, you can still open for me. There's still a human being right here. A sexy one at that. No? Alright, racist. Listen, one good thing about being mixed breed is that you can pull the race card in so many different places with so many different people, against so many different people. And I love it. I pull the race card all the time, and I love it. Alright? I should be ashamed because 99% of the time, 99.99% of the time, it's never a race issue. But I make it into a race issue because people get uncomfortable, and then they get awkward, and then you just win. You win the entire conversation that leads up after it. Yeah, I went over the yellow lane because I didn't go to F. I don't give a F. So theoretically, today should be a lot of riders. I should have said that earlier so you guys would actually believe me. There's a rider right there. He's got a shorty in the back too. How about you hop off of his and hop onto mine? That's 1000 single R. You saw that lane splitting? Wow, that thing's open. Lane splitting, green light. Look to the left, wave to him, identify the bike, saw the shorty. I didn't look at their bodies, but just so much happening. Like, the multitasking is on another level. So we got music playing, but I don't know what the hell Drake is saying. Today on the playlist we got Drake, we got Tucci, and we got Future. I was gonna add like 50 Cent, I was gonna like vary it up, but now starting from today, just an idea that I had is every single time I ride, I'll listen to different songs. We'll put on different playlists, different artists, so I can vibe to different people instead of listening to like 4,000 songs in your playlist, which is the stupidest thing ever that I used to do. It's better to have like 10 songs and just have them on repeat, because I love listening to things on repeat. So might as well have 10 songs on repeat for that ride, no more than 10, and then just ride out and have fun. But today we have 11 because I had to add No Worries. She bad as a hooker, so she ain't got no worries. She want me to eat that sugar. I can't think. I'm so happy. Happy to be out, happy to be riding. Happy to get nut checked in my nutsicles. Thank you for not tailgating me and just switching the damn lanes. Alright, so today, like I said like a million times before, it's Christmas Day. We're riding on Christmas Day. Chris! You saw that? He blazed by me, and then he tilted his head to look at me to see my reaction. My reaction is my nutsicles on your face, twerking it. And not in a sexual way, in a teabagging way. No, but I actually didn't have plans to ride today. But then I saw the forecast and I saw that it was raining all throughout the week. And it was like a 30% chance, 20% chance. We don't F with that. Alright? We don't F with that. We do not F with that. We go, we ride. Oh, I didn't even do it right. We don't F with that. We're like, you know what? I'm just gonna ride. Because even if it rains a little bit and that 10% it just drizzles, alright? Foreplay drizzle. I'm not talking about full, you know, body on body action. I'm talking like a foreplay drizzle. Even that happens. What happens is I can't ride. Like I told you, fair conditions only. If I feel a slight breeze in the wrong area for even a second, I'm not going. I am not going. Alright? I am staying home. Why? Because I don't have to ride. I want to ride. Alright? It's a want, not a... What is a need? It's a need that only happens when I want it. Kind of thing. Alright? I can sacrifice that much for you guys, right? That much I can sacrifice for you guys. I don't want to lane split. Oh, I thought you owned something, but that's us. You ain't on anything, man. That's us. Of course, I'm behind the one car. Four cars, right? One of them had to be slow. I choose to be behind the one that's the slowest. Everyone else just zoomed out. But yeah, again, today is Christmas Day. So we got to be careful because La Policia loves to be out on Christmas Day and really stick it up. People know stinky pinky finger blast into people.